Hello everyone, this video explains how to install grilles and diffusers designed and manufactured by Laminar. This time we're using the screw installation method. It's one of the most used because it's vertical and safe. We can apply this method to a wide variety of Laminar's products, either for ceiling or wall installations. There are other products like S.A.S, LCL and LAV diffusers and LBG, LVH, LRA grilles. This process applies to all the products. First, let's select all the tools and elements we need. This time we need a square, some markers, a tape measure, a saw, a utility knife, a drill, a screwdriver, and finally a sealant. Then we proceed to unpack the product. As we can see, here it comes the product. With its installation screws. Now we proceed to measure the opening on the wall. For a grill, in this case, it's a square grill measuring 10 by 10 inches. Let's do the measuring. Let's mark down the opening. Now we proceed to cut out the opening for the grill. For this, let's use the utility knife to do the marks, and then the saw to cut it easily. Once finished cutting, let's remove the wall piece. Then let's proceed to place the LRA grill, measuring 10 by 10 inches in the opening previously cut. Once attached with the screws, let's apply some sealant on the borders to prevent air leaks. And let's clean the sealant tailings. This is the correct and safest installation of our product. We might want a more reliable installation. That being the case, we can use wood bases or other material. This time we're using the same wall piece we cut previously. We're doing the installation on these bases to attach it more firmly and securely. To do the installation, let's place the base on the upper part and let's fix it with screws. Align it so that the diffuser or grill screw remains in the middle. Now, let's place the diffuser in the opening and fix it on the base. We hope this video was useful for all of you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Laminar S.A.S.